Shugor Nakashlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Riti Academy Award Ceremony kalapan long ye kajing sam ni ki Khusnam ka khan reu trik unailar arajar arpusau haraj bhavan shlong ban ai kajing itho iki sangut ki reu don sap hagi benta ba pher hagani ka snila sakhilang ru daulat kejala Meghalaya Uchandra Shekhar H Vijaya Shankar kumukongsan haringkat principal secretary jongkatnat arts and culture uba FR Kharkongor ubalalongkum usumbot kongsan. Haba ajing keren hegani ka sngi nakajang ulat kajala ulayaro ya kajing persang jong ka Riti Academy bat ula Kyntu ru ya ka Sorkar bakan ay kajing kersyan ya ki bakum gini kajing tmu banang Kyntiew ya ki Samla. Ulayaro ru ya kajing itanat jong ka Meghalaya bat ula Kyntu ru ya ki Samla bakin nang yai pentebet da kajing ay tilut bat kajing tray shitom. Ulat ula ay tiru ya ki Khusnam syaki sangut ki badai ban yo Yegini ki Khusnam ki Kyntu ya Melvin Jude Mukhim ubalayo ya Crystal Gale Memorial Award arajar arpusau Professor Marco Babit Mitri Sumar Singh Savian Memorial Award arajar arpusau Iban Kyntiew and Mauri Escosian Sumer Memorial Award arajar arpusau Alicia Pingrob Rana Kharkongor Memorial Award arajar arpusau Bat Ushan Borlang Kharbudon Pritpal Singh Sedave Ladi arajar arpusau. Hagani kajing penkup bonam la sakhi digi het Sorkar ki bahayeng hasam jong kinong yo ik Khusnam kinong shakhot snobha bat kiwei.
Ms. Ivanisha to please felicitate Mr. Thank you, Ivanisha. I will again request thank you. And last but not the least, I will invite Ms. Iba again to please come.
Performing artist renowned for his multifaceted talents in music, theatre, film, and innovative performance arts. He has collaborated, he has demonstrated his intellectual prowess as an art for Marco Babit Mitri is a distinguished academician celebrated for his profound intellectual humanities. His groundbreaking archaeological research into ancient settlements and artifacts, rigor and dedication. Kyntiew is a distinguished media professional and dedicated journalist known for her impactful work in public discourse through her online video news portal. She has contributed to several campus settings to high-profile events. Ladies and gentlemen, Kyntiew. Her captivating voice has resonated across various parts of the country, sentimental songs and albums in the local entertainment industry. Sahadev Award. Pritpal Singh Sahadev Award goes to Shangar Lam Kharbudan. Mr. Shangar Lam Kharbudan is a skilled digital artist known for his command over both applied and conceptual visual vocabulary.
As a tribute to her and to also felicitate the manifold contributions of the galaxy of artists and performers which Meghalaya tends to generate year after year. And as we know, Meghalaya is a land which is deeply immersed in culture, music, performing arts, the painters of the beautiful canvases, poetry, a small flavor which you just heard with the flute recital just now. They say that when an artist dips his brush inside his soul, then he paints what is in his heart and what is in his mind and what is in his vision. We know what the famous painting Guernica by Pablo Picasso, which brought to light the many tragedies of the Nazi era, and that painting has been, that one picture, as they say, says 1,000 words. That itself has been able to, shape the conscience and the war against Nazism in a big way. In a similar fashion, art, I think, is a bridge. It's a bridge like none other because it connects the past to the future to the present, and it is also not only a mirror because it's this vibrant living bridge. Meghalaya is famous for the living root bridges, and art, I think, is performing that role of the living root bridge, which the state is also famous for, and art is that living root bridge. Today we are privileged to be here to celebrate and to recognize wonderful performers. We have Melvin Jude Mukhim, who is going to get awarded the Crystal Gaze Memorial Award 2024 for the field of performing arts. He is a wonderful actor. I remember watching his movie Unnata twice on this big screen, and he's also done several other roles. His mother is Madam Patricia Mukhim, and I think though he is now with a with a very challenging job, but I think acting and performance is his true calling. And please don't give up. This award will spur you to do more such roles. And now we have our own OTT platform, Hello Meghalaya. So I'm sure that there'll be more opportunities for you to showcase your talent. We have Professor Marco Mitri, who's going to get awarded the Sumar Singh Savyan Memorial Award, who's also a very active researcher and scholar. He's done a lot of important work with the French, and he's discovered some archaeological sites, which he's personally taken me to also. And we are very privileged to have him here as one of the awardees. We have Kyntu Mauri, a young journalist, who's going to get the Sumar Singh Memorial Award, and she's very active on the social media, on the podcasts. Yeah, SQ Sumer Memorial Award, and she's going to get the, she's very active on the podcast, online media, and we're very happy that she's one of the awardees here this morning. And we have Alicia Pungro, another upcoming artist who will be getting the Rana Khatmar Memorial Award, and is also one of the musicians of our state. And of course, we have Mr. Shanmurang Kharbudwan, who will be getting the Prithpal Singh Ladi Award. And as Mr. Rafael Wajir just mentioned, Mr. Ladi is a household name outside the state for his many artistic expressions, and I think it's befitting that there is an award in his name this afternoon. I was very struck with what is called slow art. The famous Japanese artist has pioneered something known as Hidonga, which is slow art, art of redemption, art of hope. There was a picture of a lily. It looked very simple, but actually it was multi-layered art, about 80 different layers of art, crushed pieces. And it's basically a retelling of how art should be, something that defines and brings into wholesomeness, something, aspects which are broken in life. Because the world is not perfect, life is not perfect, but art brings all of them together, polishes them together, and creates something beautiful. Like John Keats said, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. And art basically is something transformative, it's something healing, it's something redemptive, it's something that takes you from what is to what is possible, and also helps you to create something that transcends your immediate, your immediacies. Artists, and we are also actively encouraging various activities, because the mandate is to preserve, promote, and protect our art. And when Meghalaya reached its 50 years recently, we had Rafael Wajri and his entire team do that beautiful mural in front of the State Central Library, which depicts the flora and fauna of the state. And I think it's become a kind of a selfie point now. It needs another coat of paint, I think, now, because it needs to look a bit more fresher. And also the monuments to the freedom fighters, one which was erected at Dhaka, which the government hopefully will try to reinstall back once things normalize as a tribute to a freedom fighter. and other artistic exhibitions, programs. We've had artistic exchanges with the artists of Thailand, with Shanti Niketan, and also many other programs, both nationally as well as internationally. Just yesterday, at the Independence Day function, the CM, I personally handed over letters to 48 awardees of the Chief Minister's Research Grant, which is another initiative which tries to document and tries to encourage researchers to do active research in the areas of art, land, language, lineage, as well as heritage studies. So 48 artists have already been shortlisted in the first tranche, and these will go into documentation towards the creation of a state-of-the-art center of archival material that will hopefully contribute towards policy trajectories, because we are a community which is very oral. We are a community which have a great belief in the oral tradition, but documentation is a bit weak. So we need to start documenting. Of course, Patricia is one who is a very robust documenter, and we need more such people like her, and may our tribe increase. More research work, more archival material that builds perspectives by ourselves about ourselves.
Following people. Any award, if at all you are going to achieve, which is not an easy thing, I tell you. Great contribution is there, great sacrifice is there, great dedication is there. If at all anybody would like to come on the dais, if at all a society is going to recognize anybody, if at all anybody should be awarded, you see the dedication behind it, I tell you. Sacrifice behind it, I tell you. Without that, nothing can be achieved here, Nothing can be achieved. Nothing can be contributed to the society. In that way, as soon as I come here, I used to observe each and every face. Everybody is very serious. And one of the lady, she come to nearer to me, she got fear. And she is not ready to complete the formalities. The commitment of this academy, this contribution of this academy, their dedication in this field, that contribution, society never forgets. Not only society, your Ngut people also never forget. It is a cultural line. I am come from Mysore. I am coming from Karnataka. As soon as I came here as a donor, what I feel, really I tell you, always we are proud of Mysore. Mysoreans, always we feel we are proud. Because Mysore is such a place. But after I coming here, I thought, this is real heaven. Meghalaya is real heaven, I tell you. I told the Honorable Chief Minister yesterday, Mr. Sangma, I know about their family since very long, because in 98 I was in the parliament. By that time his father was the speaker in Lok Sabha. By that time I was in the parliament as a parliament member from Mysore. Yesterday I told Mr. Sangma, really Mr. Sangma, you people really are living in heaven. It's a God's grace, madam. It's a God's grace. See, you should have to enjoy. That's all I would like to say. Whatever the things I have given here, I have understood the gravity, commitment of the academy. Madam, definitely we are with you. Your government is with you. Whatever to be done on behalf of the Raj Bhavan, all the times our doors are open. So long I am here as a governor. Anytime this academy can come and approach. Anytime you people can come and meet with people. You flourish yourself. Not only confine yourself to only Meghalaya. You take neighbor states. You take neighbor countries into the confidence. Ultimately, not only Meghalaya should understand the dedication of this academy. Whole country should know. Whole country should know what is the dedication commitment of this academy. Ultimately, whole world should know. Such personalities are here. Such personalities are here. Only they need moral support, I tell you. Only they need moral support, I tell you. Morally, we have to support them. Rest of the things, financial support and all other, it is a commitment of the concern of the government. Ultimately, we are supposed to do it in the interest of the overall development of the society. That ultimately we have to do it, we do it. That is not the important thing. Whenever you people come to our doors should be open. Whenever you feel something from our side, immediately we have to approach them. Immediate response should be there. If at all they feel something today, if at all we are going to respond it after 6 months, what is the use? What is the use? No use, I tell you. Purpose will not be served. Purpose will not be served. If at all purpose to be served, timely we have to attend to it. Timely response should be there. Timely response should be there. Our principal secretary, as if I used to observe his body language and his commitment. Really, I am very happy about his personal commitment. In field of the culture and arts, right person is in right place. So I write you, Mr. Principal Secretary, try to support this kind of HUL economies. If at all this academy is selfish, only because of their personal benefit, if at all it is being brought into the field, then you have to think. It's not like that. Their commitment is something different. These type of academies, selfless academies, we have been formed in the overall interest of this society. It is our bonded duty to see that all the times we have to take care of them. All the times. Ultimately, they should feel. No, government is with us. Government is with us. We should not come to the mind of this academy. I wish you awardees, really, I wish you the all awardees, all the best. Good luck. Whatever issue that is there in your mind, individual, the awardees who are here, you have to grow. Nothing is impossible, I tell you. If at all man minds, nothing is impossible, I tell you. My life itself is a standing example. My life itself is a standing example, I tell you. My father is a primary school headmaster. Nobody is there in our family. You can recognize a politician. Nobody is there earlier or now in future. It is only accidental. Some of the friends, they told, no, you cannot be a politician. Then I took it as a challenge. Why not possible? Why not possible? Then ultimately, I become MLA, become MP, become minister. Ultimately, I had come here as a governor. In case of you also, don't keep anything in the mind. It is not possible. Everything is possible. Only it needs commitment, dedication, hard work. Anybody can go to any level. Anybody can achieve anything. God never discriminates. Something to give somebody and something should not be given to somebody that is not at all there. God is really always graceful. Only thing, our dedication he needs, our commitment, concern he needs. In that way, this academy, madam, really we are with you. I don't want to say nothing more than this. I am really happy to hear the background of this academy.